So I think actually fantastic technology at the time, really rock solid technology. A lot of people feel quite emotional when they see this, which is a good connection to have with technology. And I think one of the difficulties with digital technology is with an app creating that same emotional link.
Hi Robert, how are you doing today?
Very good, thank you. Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, we are at Finovate Europe 2019, second day. Today you're demoing, so I think later in the day, and it's your first Finovate, right?
It is our first Finovate. We're very excited to be here. Obviously, it's a fantastic opportunity on the day, but as we were talking about earlier, it's also great to be involved with Finovate, the video, the demo in front of everybody. It's a really good exposure for us.
As a first timer, actually, how long did it take actually to come back with the almighty 7 minute, demo?
Well, we've probably practiced it about 40 times, and it comes out differently each time. So Andrea, who's going to be driving the computer, is going to be on his toes to make sure he keeps up. But no, it's all good. It's a very simple message that we have. We make GDPR very straightforward and very simple. So if we can't put it forward simply in that 7 minutes, then we would have a problem. But it's good. It's going to be good.
So I wish you no technical issues, which is not unheard of at Finovate. But anyway, anything specific you're going to demo today, again, during the 7 minutes?
Yeah, so we're going to show how Keepabl can help financial institutions show that they're GDPR compliant, or to get compliant in the first place, and then demonstrate that GDPR status to others. With less than half of financial institutions GDPR compliant at the moment, still 7 months on from GDPR, it's really important they unlock revenue and investment opportunities by having a great GDPR answer.
So the data side of things, the GDPR, of course, topic is very important to every single financial institution. It's a crowded market as well. A lot of vendors are trying to address those issues and help their customers and their clients. So how different is Keepabl?
Absolutely. So I'm actually a lawyer. I was general counsel of VC-backed software as a service companies for over 13 years. So I've been advising on data protection for about 20 years. So we're lawyer-led, lawyer-founded. I've been the customer myself, so I know what the job is that you need to actually do. And I think looking at some other solutions, everything's very well created. It's a question about the product philosophy that the different founders and the founding team bring. And the customer is actually with Finovate on the stage this morning are saying the customer has to be at the very center of everything. So at the very center of ours is the Harvard Business School strategy of the jobs to be done framework. People hire software and service to get a job done, and we help you get the GDPR job done very straightforward and simply, because we know you've got lots of other things on your desk.
Fair enough, indeed. So we're talking software and technology here, but you're also helping organizations more from a consulting standpoint or sharing your expertise. How would you typically work with a bank?
That's a fantastic question, actually. So we are the technology platform. So we started off doing consulting while we did the lean startup approach of moving through prototypes and early stage MVPs, etc. And now we're fully in the market. We've got everybody from private equity, fund management, and fintech using the service. The way that we operate is we're the tech platform that they can use either themselves or with their trusted advisors. We do sell a 30-document policy pack as well, but we're designed so that trusted advisors can work with clients and help them through.
Which again, providing the best customer experience and enabling, empowering your customers, giving them the right insights in a secure way. That's of course one of the key topics of Finovate. It's been for years as well. You mentioned a few clients you're already working with. Are we talking the UK essentially to start with, or already like a more European remit? Or?
So we have clients in continental Europe as well, and we're just about to win our first client in the US. We're very happy about.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. And also actually the reseller channel is very, very interesting, because obviously they're already dealing with people with GDPR questions. And the resellers, be that the consultants, be that law firms, MSPs, they're looking for a technology platform they can use to make it really simple to deliver, as you said, that trusted advice and help people move quickly through the GDPR journey.
Great. So you're going to demo later, so we'll see, and I invite everybody who watches this video right now to go online as well in a short while to watch the demo. What are the key challenges for growth in 2019 for Keepabl?
So really it's about distribution. So we've got a fantastic product, we're getting very good feedback on the product, we've got clients in using the platform. We need to get in front of people, which is where Finovate obviously is really good. So for us it's really, you mentioned it's a crowded market, we want to be able to demonstrate to people the quality that's in the product, the quality of experience and expertise that is baked into the product and that policy pack, that separates us, we believe, and also the simplicity of the usability. And so for us this year is all about getting out there in front of people, growing a business in that sense, and then towards the end of the year we're going to be bringing in the California Privacy Act as well, which is very much based on GDPR, and also information security. So we'll be adding data protection to information security. I call them siblings rather, they're very similar, they're always together, but they are different. And then we'll be driven by customers as to which compliance aspect to bring in, PCI for example, or training, etc.
So I think it's pretty clear, Finovate can give you and will give you that exposure, so for awareness, that's almost a given. Are you also looking for investment or as part of Finovate and for the next few months?
Well, absolutely. That's also the other part of the coin. So we're a venture-backed company. We're looking to do a seed round later this year. So yes, absolutely. The investment conversations are something we would very welcome as well.
Perfect. Yeah. Well, thank you very much for your time, Robert. I wish you all the best with the demo, and let's keep in touch. I can't wait to report on the great achievements in the next few months. Thank you.